So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Gaming Arena, and in this video, we are gonna explore an app called Opera GX Gaming Browser. So, this is called as the first gaming browser of the world. So, we are gonna explore Opera GX Gaming Browser. I would also tell how to download it on your laptop or computer. It only works on your laptop or computer. So, let's start with the video. Yeah, so let's begin. So let me share the screen. Yes, now this is the home screen of our Opera GX gaming browser. So as I told you, this is called as the first gaming browser of the world. It means that you can play games that you play after installing on your mobile, but you can play all the games that you play by downloading as you can play it on online. So I will show you after going on the download. For downloading, what you have to do is just go to this. As you can see, GX corner. So you have to press on it. It's loading. So it has game. GX corner. GX corner. Game trailers means the games are gonna launch soon on this app. So I have shown you the interface of the app. Now I will show you how to download GX corner. Oh, sorry, not GX corner, the GX gaming browser. So I will show you here only. You have to open a new tab here. You can go to any website visitors like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Bing. So let's search for Opera GX gaming browser. Okay, we haven't searched the downloads. So you can download it not from only here. For downloading, you cannot download from here. I am showing in that app only. So you can go to any web browser like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Bing, Firefox, etc. So we will again put here the search download. I'm doing on my laptop. It is the most fast and secure website. So like this, it will. You have to go to https:// www.opera.com gx arrow. So this website Opera GX gaming browser Opera. Go to the first only after searching the first result. Yeah, see like this. So yeah, you can if you go on any web browser. I have downloaded it from Google Chrome. There is one more original site of Opera, but it's not gaming. I had downloaded that, but you can also download this one. So I have downloaded from Google Chrome. It's the same image that I have saw on the Google Chrome. So after going and searching Opera GX gaming browser download, you have to press on download Opera GX. See, it is only available for Windows 10, not for Mac OS till now, and Linux. It will be updated, but till now it's for Windows 10, Windows 7, 8, 10. So you have to press on it and then the file will be downloaded, the extension file. Then you have to download it. It will not take so much time, but it will get downloaded very fast. After downloading, Yeah, here it will come. But you will only see this Twitch, Discord, Reddit, YouTube, changelog. Not this. These are the suggestions after signing in. And see this. This is Facebook Messenger. WhatsApp is also inbuilt. Instagram, Twitter. Everything is inbuilt in this app. See, now we will see the games available, and I will also show one game example. So these are free games, but there is one means what I can say. There is one thing that you have to download for playing games from Opera GX, that is Steam Power. This app is needed for playing the games. So I have also downloaded. You can also download by just searching on this app also, Opera GX gaming browser. It's not just gaming; it's also a normal web browser. So we will scroll down. See, there are many nice games. There are Fortnite also. You can also play Fortnite online or on the Steam Power. See Krunker. It is a very famous game. You can play this of course on Google Chrome and Internet Explorer, Microsoft Binge. So now we will play a game. I will show you. You have to search Krunker.io. So you can play this online. You can also play on Google Chrome or your Microsoft Binge. Only laptop. Krunker on mobile also, but not this web browser. Only on Google Chrome. So search on a Google or Opera GX gaming browser Krunker.io. Copy the same Krunker.io, and then after putting it will get load. So I will show you how the experience you get after playing a game online on a web browser. I will also show you these features. What are that? We only know till here Twitter, but after that, what is there? I will explain. But let's see what's Krunker. I am also playing it. I'm a guest. Trigger moment. Okay, so it's loading. Yeah, so see it has loaded. Now there are like this the interface of the game means the home page. Now let's click to play. We will just see the starting of the game. I will also show you Conquer Gaming. See, these are the guns. This is a shotgun. Oh. This game is some hard to play on laptop, but if you play on mobile, it's very easy because for seeing here and there, it takes some time. But it's very big screen, so we enjoy too much. Now it's loading again. Next round. Yes, so it has again loaded. We will try two more times. It's slow. Oh, so you have a very HD experience in this app. I have tried in Google Chrome, but we don't have that much experience because it's only built for gaming. That's why. Oh, see. One. Yeah, so we will exit this now. Yes, now we will see another features of this app. Now we have explained the gaming, but now we will see other features also. It's loading. Yeah, open. Yeah, so we have seen till this Twitter, but now we will go here. So we will see what is player, not the game player. This is what game. Sorry, music player. So you can do from Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music. Spotify. Okay, but we know YouTube Music and Apple Music and YouTube Music. Now we will go to history. So it shows where which websites you have gone. After that, uh, what is it? Extensions means which file you have downloaded for your computer. Okay. So these are settings. Yes. So we can also change the theme of the app. Where it is. Yes. I will show you. We will change the theme. It's loading. Yes, so settings are is loaded. Uh, there is one more feature of this app. I will not. I'm not means. Yes. Yeah. So in Google Chrome, if you close all the tabs, now only one new tab is remaining, and if you close it, the Google Chrome gets closed. But if you close all the tabs of this app, it comes on its GX corner. So it is nice. So now which mode is there? Okay, we will try this orange theme. Oh, no, it is purple. Okay, no, it is orange only. Now we will try purple. Oh no. Then no. There there are many more, but I like my okay, these are coming soon. I like ultraviolet only. There are more things in the settings you can do. So after settings we will see what is it. So if you want any background music in this web browser, here it plays here. So here is unmute music. I cannot hear now because I'm not playing any music, but if I mute music, see there is option for muting music. See, after that we have sidebar setup. So you will go in sidebar setup. So here like this, GX control, GX cleaner, Twitch, workspace, Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, special features, players, my flow, everything you can see. So this web browser is very nice. So we have seen it's all set up and everything. Customize and control. What is that? Yeah. Customize and control Opera means it's like setting only. You can set up your city as well. This is the temperature, sunny, check forecast, Oslo. Okay. And then we have your snapshot means you can take the screenshot of what you are sharing right now. Then the download which you have done. Then it's the battery. It's showing my real battery of my laptop. Yes, so after battery we have easy setup. It's for this Opera GX only. As well as you can change this background. Then you can also do online meetings, Zoomers, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams also. So this is Opera GX Gaming. So I was saying this Steam Power. You have to download this app for playing games and everything we have seen of and explored the Opera GX gaming browser. So if you don't know what is Opera GX, watch this video from starting and also see how to download this Opera GX gaming browser. And more is that so thank you guys for watching this video and please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos and knowing about the apps. Bye.